Unlock consistent goal-scoring dominance in FC24 with these game-changing advanced strategies. First, mastering player positioning is paramount. Think about your attackers' runs. Are they dragging defenders out of position, creating pockets of space? Use the L1 button to trigger these intelligent runs, forcing the AI into uncomfortable decisions. Don't just park your striker. Ask them to work the channels and exploit the space behind the back for a well-timed through ball into these areas is your golden ticket. Next, focus on quick, incisive passing to break down stubborn defenses instead of holding onto possession. Look for the immediate layoff pass when you receive the ball. This forces defenders to react and can open up passing lanes then. Immediately sprint into space yourself. This pass and move philosophy creates quick overlaps and gives you multiple passing options, keeping the opponent guessing. Now, let's talk shooting mechanics. Forget aimless blasts. Practice the driven shot. Hold R1 and shoot. It's incredibly effective when you're one-on-one with the keeper or have a clear angle from the edge of the box. Another powerful tool is the fake shot combined with a quick direction change. This can freeze defenders and leave you with space to pick your spot. Experiment with different shot types and aim for the corners or the bottom of the net. Placement is key. Exploiting defensive weaknesses often comes down to simple, effective skill moves. You don't need to be a freestyle prodigy. A well-timed ball roll to shift inside or a quick barba spin to go outside can be enough to create that crucial yard of space needed for a shot. Focus on skills that are quick, efficient, and can be chained into a pass or shot. By integrating these advanced techniques, intelligent positioning, quick passing, precise shooting, and effective skill moves, you'll transform your attacking play and start scoring every time. Put in the practice, and you'll see the difference.